Introducing the 2022 Cupra Formentor 1.5T with 150 horsepower in sleek black. This stylish 5-door estate is loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. The exterior boasts Towbar Preparation, while the interior offers luxury trim and cup holders. Stay connected with Bluetooth, USB outlets, and wireless charging. With advanced security features like anti-collision system and emergency call, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us for more information.